Dreaming of becoming a registered nurse in the USA? This video will guide you through the complete step-by-step process from nursing education to NCLEX-RN, licensing and getting a nursing job in America. Number first, the United States is one of the best countries for registered nurses because it offers excellent salaries, outstanding career growth, advanced healthcare technology, and countless professional opportunities. Number two, every year thousands of international nurses successfully move to the USA to build a rewarding career and improve their quality of life. Step number three, the first step is to complete a recognized nursing qualification such as BSN Diploma in Nursing, GNM, or an equivalent nursing program in your home country. Step number four, your nursing education should meet the educational standards of quality by the United States Board of Nursing where you plan to apply. Step number 5, most international nurses must have their educational documents evaluated through an approved credential evaluation organization such as CGFNS. Step number 6, credential evaluation compares your nursing education with United States nursing education standards to determine eligibility. Step number 7, some United States requires CGFNS certification before allowing international nursing nurses to take the NCLEX-RN examination. Step number 8. The NCLEX-RN is the official licensing examination that every registered nurse must pass before practicing in the United States. Step number 9. Passing the NCLEX-RN demonstrates that you possess the knowledge, clinical judgment, and patient safety skills required for professional nursing practice. Step number 10. Every United States state has its own board of nursing with specific licensing requirements that applicants must carefully follow. Step number 11. Before submitting your application, always review the latest requirements on the official website of your chosen state board of nursing. Step number 12. English language proficiency is an essential requirement for most international nurses seeking employment in the United States of America. Step number 13. Many nurses are required to pass IELTS, academic or OET nursing to demonstrate effective communication skills. Step number 14. Strong English speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills are essential for providing safe and effective patient care. Step number 15. After successfully passing the NCLEX-RN examination, you can apply for your registered nurse license in your selected state. Step number 16. Receiving your RN license allows you to legally work as a registered nurse within that state's healthcare system. Step number 17. Prepare a professional nursing resume highlighting your education, work experience, certifications, and clinical competencies. Step number 18. Your resume should clearly demonstrate your nursing knowledge, achievements, and ability to provide quality patient care. Step number 19. Many American hospitals recruit qualified international nurses through licensed and authorized requirement recruitment agencies. Step number 20. Always verify the authenticity of any recruitment agency before signing contracts or submitting professional documents. Step number 21. Once you receive a valid job offer, your employer may begin the employment sponsorship process if required. Step number 22. International nurses generally need a legal work authorization before starting employment in the United States of America. Step number 23. Immigration procedures may vary depending on your nationality and current United States immigration regulations. Step number 24. Prepare all required documents carefully, including your passport, nursing license, educational certificates, transcripts, and identification documents. Step number 25. Keep certified copies of all important documents because they may be required throughout your licensing and employment process. Step number 26. Clinical experience significantly increases your chances of obtaining better nursing positions and higher salaries. Step number 27. Specialized certifications in ICU, emergency, dialysis, critical care, or operating room nursing can strengthen your professional profile. Step number 28. Continuous professional education is a highly respected within the American healthcare system and supports career advancement. Step number 29. Develop strong communication, leadership, teamwork, and critical thinking skills to become an effective registered nurse. Step number 30. Patient safety is always the highest priority in every American healthcare facility and nursing practice. Step number 31. Maintain professional ethics, patient confidentiality, honesty, and compassionate nursing care all the time. Step number 32. Learning electronic health record EHR systems can greatly improve your performance in modern United States hospitals. Step number 33. Time management, accurate documentation, and effective communication are essential responsibilities of every registered nurse. Step number 34. Always follow evidence based nursing practice and hospital policies to provide safe, high quality patient care. Step number 35. Continue improving your clinical knowledge through workshop, online courses, and professional nursing education. Step number 36. Networking with experienced nurses can help you better understand the American healthcare environment and employment opportunities. Step number 37. Never stop learning because healthcare technology, treatment guidelines and nursing standards continue to evolve every year. Step number 38. Remain patient throughout the licensing, credential evaluation, examination, and immigration process because success requires time and persistence. Step number 39. With dedication, proper planning, and continuous learning, international nurses can successfully achieve their dream of working in the United States. Step number 40. By completing each step carefully from education and credential evaluation to NCLEX-RN, English proficiency, licensing, and employment, you can build a successful, respected, and rewarding nursing career in the USA.